Hey guys, welcome back to Prettify by Surbhi. In this video, I'm going to do quick and easy makeup tutorial with classic red lips. All the products used in this video will be mentioned in the description box below. So let's get started.
Yeah, bring you up. Yeah, come on.
So I have already prepped up my skin with toner and moisturizer. Now I'll be priming up my skin using Natio's face primer. I'll be taking a small amount on my hand. Apply it generously all over your face and neck. Primer basically helps in covering pores and holds the makeup for a longer period. Next, I'll be using L'Oreal Infallible Demi Matte Finish Foundation in the color Sun Beige. I'll be taking a small amount on the back of my palm and I'll be using a beauty blender to blend it. It's a medium coverage foundation and gives a semi-matte to dewy finish. Blend it properly all over your face and your neck. If you feel you need to build up the coverage, just take little more foundation and just apply it again on your face and your neck. Do not forget to blend it properly on your neck. Blending is the key here. Next comes concealer. I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the color medium. Apply it under the eye, on the forehead, bridge of your nose, cupid bow and chin. You can also do spot correction. Blend it properly with the beauty blender. Blend it well all over your face and on the neck. Next, I'll be using MAC Studio Fix Compact in the number NC40. Apply it all over your face, under the eye, or all over your neck. Blend it properly. Next, I'll be taking Sleek Contour Kit and Contour Brush. I'll be getting into lighter contouring and not heavy. Just contour on the cheeks first. Contouring helps in basically giving dimensions to your face and makes your face look slimmer. So you can just create the desired look. Blend it properly so that it doesn't look heavy. Then apply it on the jawline to ensure that you can avoid double chin. On the forehead, and then on the nose. It helps in creating a slimmer nose. Blend it properly. I'm using Age Rewind Concealer to highlight the bridge of my nose. I'm using contour brush to blend it. Next, I'll be doing my eyebrows. I'll be using Benefit KA Eyebrow Gel. It is not a mandatory step. If you have good thick eyebrows, then you can skip this step or you can use any other product. I've done one eyebrow. I'll be doing the other eyebrow. Now I'll be using L'Oreal Color Riche Nude Palette and Eyeshadow Blending Brush, and I'll be using color Grey. I'll be applying it all over my eyelids. Blend it properly all over your eyes. So I'm just doing one eye right now. I'll be applying a little quantity all over my eyelid. Once my one side is done, I'll be applying it on the other side, on the left eye. Same color, grayish color on both the eyes. Now I'll be using L'Oreal Infallible Grey color colored eye pencil and I'll be applying it as a liner on my upper eyelid. On the other eye now. Now my eyes are done in terms of the color. Now I'll be using L'Oreal Infallible Kajal in black color and I'll be applying it to the waterline to both the eyes. I'll be using Estee Lauder Sumptuous Mascara all over my eyelashes. So the simple rule, upper lash, bottom lash, bottom lash. That's the simple way to apply mascara. I'm just going in for single coat. Next I'll be using Natio's blush palette and blush brush. I'm using pinkish tone and applying it all over my cheeks. Start from the apple of your cheeks to the hairline, blend it properly with the contouring as well. Go as heavy as you want. I'm going in for a little more natural look. Now next comes MAC highlighter in the color Hush. It's a cream based highlighter. I'm applying it on the cheeks, cheek area, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of it. Blend it properly, ensuring it doesn't look patchy. Above your eyebrows, on the cupid's bow. Now comes the last step, the classic red lips. I'm going in for MAC Ruby Woo. It's an absolute matte lipstick and our look is complete. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit on that bell button so that you receive all the future notifications. Keep smiling, keep shining, stay pretty.